Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create visually striking films, step by step. We will dive into the foundational techniques that make a cinematic experience truly memorable. From mastering dramatic lighting to employing powerful slow motion, you will learn to craft compelling narratives. Get ready to transform your filmmaking approach and tell stories with incredible visual impact, engaging your audience from the very first frame. Achieving a distinct visual style begins with your camera work. Focus on creating high-contrast scenes using dramatic lighting to sculpt your subjects and environment. Consider a desaturated color palette to evoke a serious or epic mood, making your visuals pop. Every shot should be meticulously composed, guiding the viewer's eye and enhancing the narrative. Experiment with dynamic camera movements to add energy and immersion to your scenes. Editing is where your film truly comes alive. Strategically use slow motion to emphasize critical actions or emotional beats, making them unforgettable. Maintain a deliberate pace throughout your film, allowing moments to breathe and impact the audience deeply. Powerful sound design is crucial. It enhances the visual experience and adds significant emotional weight. Ensure your transitions are smooth and purposeful, guiding the viewer seamlessly through your story. Finally, let's talk about the heart of your film, the story. Aim for narratives with an epic scope, often drawing inspiration from mythology or grand conflicts. Don't shy away from exploring profound and serious themes that resonate deeply with your audience. Develop strong, archetypal characters whose journeys drive the plot forward. Before shooting, meticulously visualize your entire story through detailed storyboards, ensuring every frame serves your grand vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.